har. Jag ser en eld som brinner i hjärtat hos dig. Jag ser en eld som brinner, som förstärks av vinden, så att vatten går synlig i hela världen. I see a fire that's burning among my people. I see a fire that's burning inside your heart. I see a fire burning, and the wind makes it greater, so that it will rain all over the land. A fire of love, a fire of mercy, a fire of grace, a fire of power, a fire of light that breaks through the darkness to give you a hope and trust in the Lord. I see a fire that's burning among the people. See a fire burning inside your heart. I see the fire is burning, the wind makes it greater, and then it will raise all over the nation. A fire of love, a fire of mercy, a fire of grace, a fire of powerful, fire of light that breaks through the darkness to give you a hope and trust in the Lord. To give you a hope and trust in the Lord.